Cop triad score. Cop experience. Triad experience. Okay. Cop and triad scores reward you with experience towards your next level. Gain levels to purchase new upgrades. Alright. That's cool, I guess. Offer help. Gain face by doing favors for people.
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. You should probably be gone before they get here.
Why is he sending reinforcements? What is he sending reinforcements for? Get out of my fucking way. Then hop up. This way.
You see the new guy around?
This way. Bam! 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 Oh! Oh! I didn't mean to punch you. I'm sorry, lady. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Bam! Whoa! Hey! Bam! 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 Dude. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Seriously, I pushed what? Come on. Come on now. Come on. Bam! Oh! 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 Holy! Oh wait! Wait! Oh, come on! I like you. When close, you intimidate enemies and regain health. Alright, cool. Oh! Bam! Oh! Oh! Come on! Yeah! Yeah! Fuck! Bam! Oh! No! No! I wanted to. Oh, whatever. No! I wanna grab you, and I wanna stuff you in here. What's this? I wanna. Stop it! Alright. I wanna stuff you in here. I don't know what this is. What's this? Oh, it's a speaker. Cool. Here you go, lady.
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Thanks. I speak perfect English. Thanks. Meet with Winston in the kitchen. That's not what I wanted to do. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to knock over her e-cash register.
So what'd you do?
Nothing. Say乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Ask Quan for Ming's whereabouts. Okay. Can I punch you, old lady? Okay, that'd be hilarious. I just want to go, please. Okay. Police reports. As you progress through the game, I'll unlock new police reports with your phone access them. Reports. Locked. Okay. Terrific, thanks.
Hey, big man, you want
Hey,
some
just
girl?
look at how much like it's GTA, because you have a phone. Alright, let's go.
Right.
Get out of my way, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Oh wait, can I help you? No. Move!
Come on!
Hey there,
Looking for
guy.
me. Know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Thanks, bro. No, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted to do.
Anything you need at the market.
Comfort me.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
吓？我真係要咁做？
Mate, I got a message for you.
Oh, not comfort me. Confront me.
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you.
So I can't pick up the grocery bag right now. I gotta chase this guy. Ow! Run. Oh, that person probably just died. You probably just killed that guy.
Coming through!
Oh. Gotta run. No, what am I doing? That's not what I wanted to do. Don't lose your target. Don't worry, I won't lose your target. God damn. Come on.
Guys, I need your help.
How long is this chase going to take?
Kill him. He needs to be killed.
You guys just want to fucking die, don't you? You don't know about my ninja power problems, do you? Nope, sure fucking don't. Die. Ow, come on. Ow. Alright, seriously? Fuck off. Oh ho ho! Man. Grapple the thug into the dumpster! There you go. Really, Ming? Why the fuck did you stay there? Why didn't you, like, run away?
It's one of Winston's guys. Take him out. Get able to Ohio to fuck you up.
He has a knife. Hey there. Can I, no. I can't put you. Oh, your face. Oh, you're dead. Yeah, you're fucking dead now. Oh, just get you in the nuts. Ah! Escape! Escape! Oh. Ow. Okay. Fuck you. Hold B. Throw you off the rail. Oh, no, never mind. Ooh, what's this? Oh, shotgun. Defeat me. Ow, you have a knife. Fuck you. Fuck you. Can I grab you yet? No. I'm gonna kick you in the nuts. Oh, come on. I didn't want to kill you with that.
Dog guy's gonna kill you.
Fuck Dog Eyes. Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me. 快走啊！
Fuck!
係喐，手低。
Hey, hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yee. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yee.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
For God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
CI report on Sam Dogass Lin, North Point Apartment. Still haven't gained a level. Oh, fucking shit. Rico's outfit from Just Cause 2? Cool! 5 Valve t-shirts! Okay. Official UFG branded t-shirt, Luchador mask, United Front Games Pasai.